How can anybody sleep like that?
I don't know.
And how long has Sleeping Beauty been out?
26 minutes. We're going to start descending any second now.
Well, it looks like you'll need to wake him up.
Southjet 227, Atlanta Center, descend and maintain flight level 300.
Descend and maintain flight level 300, Southjet 227. Whoa, what is that?
The elevator feels really stiff, sir.
All right, don't force it. All right, Margaret, get everybody strapped in. Get everybody strapped in tight.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Southjet 227, Atlanta, say your intentions. Are you declaring order to
Everybody's belted in. Are we going down?
Belted in with everybody in brace positions. Yes, that is affirmed. We are in a dive. We are in a dive. We have lost vertical control. We're going to need drag. I want you to throw out everything you got. The speed brakes, the gear, everything.
Gear, speed brake.
Brace position! Head down! Head forward! Head down! Head forward!
Gears down. I don't think hydraulics is the problem, sir.
We need to dump the fuel. Do it!
All right.
Atlanta Center, this is Southjet 227. We're in an uncontrolled dive descending out of 21,000 feet. We're declaring an emergency. We dumped our fuel. We got a jam stabilizer or something. We need a block of altitude to work the problem and are heading to the nearest airport.
Southjet 227, Hartsfield, Jackson Airport.
Dump the flash, dump the flash.
20 miles.
Just do it, 30 degrees.
Heading 315.
315, we'll try our best. All right, that bought us a little time. Now we got to revert to manual control. Your side first.
Okay, got it. Nothing, no control.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
Brace.
10. Minimum.
Brace for impact.
Minimum.